Hi, my name is Kev from dataSights, and welcome to a super quick whip around of, without a doubt, a little bit biased, but I reckon the most comprehensive solution for Xero data automation and reporting, whether you're a finance team or BI developer. So very quickly, in the platform, we have management reporting that actually balances. So what does that mean? We have mapping and eliminations, where you can obviously set up whatever structure you want. Also, if you have a custom account structure kicking around in Excel, it's very easy, and we can do it during a free trial, centralizing that and extending your views with that data. So that is truly covered. FX is covered inside here automatically in Excel and Power BI. I'll touch on later. We can use an FX rate table that you upload, or we can use our Forex service, which matches xe.com and do those calculations for you as well. So that's enough on FX there as well. Bottom line is, because you can select any date that you want, and we're doing both the profit and loss and the balance sheet at the same time, as well as this nifty little ledger line called auto elimination imbalance. When you set up your auto eliminations and journal adjustments, this is at the reporting layer, of course, we're always doing a balance check, so that when you run your management reports, which are of course customizable, which you can of course send off to AI for report commentary, you do get reports that always balance, and that at the end of the day is one of the most important things. Right, now report tool automation, you can of course export to Excel or PDF. Not my recommended approach. What is a lot better than that is in fact our Office add-in, which you can install from here off the Microsoft Store. I won't show a demo, but basically you can do exactly what you want in order to produce reports, except that you are downloading into there, and you can download the transactions as well. Moving across to Excel Power Query, if you need a lot more flexibility, remember that we are sitting on an entire data lake of all of your Xero data, plus our very handy views such as our account transactions view, which is building everything up from journal lines, journals, manual journals, bank transactions, credit notes, invoices, payments, overpayments, etc. So you get a very rich data set, automated data table essentially, with all of your entities all in one table. And then of course you can go back to the database, pull down more data, whatever you want, and also very importantly apply your Power Query steps into your Excel, customized Excel. And from there, for example, setting account up to bank and AR and AP payments and receive and spend money. Lots of uses of the data over the top of that, to the end of the point where you just have to click refresh, and when the data is updated, you automatically can get you can automate your management reports even as they currently are. Instead of driving them off CSVs, drive them off automated data. That's the way forward. From there, you get a lot of reuse for Power BI, or indeed any online reporting tool, Google Sheets, Tableau, etc. At the end of the day, there's a Microsoft Azure SQL server dedicated to each customer, which can be in your account or our account. Don't worry if that doesn't mean anything, but if your IT kicks up a fuss, get in touch, we'll sort it out. This is our Xero Power BI template, and it does do quite a few cool things, obviously, but importantly, you are sitting on the data and you can create these fully automated Power BI reports. From there, predominantly for finance teams, we have an Excel add-in where you can upload data to multiple Xeros from one Excel sheet. So you end up getting a manual journal template, except the drop downs do have actual values, and you can say do 20 journal adjustments to one Xero file and 40 or however many journal adjustments to another one, or upload invoices or bills or whatever it may be, and just click upload, and then off you go, and you can save a lot of time that way as well. So and then almost finally, because it is a data warehouse solution, although we do, again, all the managing, we make sure it's performant, we're 100% accountable for the accuracy. It is your asset though. If you want access to it, just let us know. If you do have any data analysts or SQL developers or anything along those lines, especially over time, you can come along and connect multiple sources. So we have over 120 connectors, and for a nominal fixed fee, we will build whatever your business needs to include in your automated reporting. Final thing would be a little bit of what we're planning around AI data query, essentially building, it's called Data plus Build Your Own AI. This is using Microsoft Secure ChatGPT. And there's a lot of potential here to create a specific model with a specific purpose that knows exactly what it's doing in terms of lookup data wise, and actually start leveraging that curated data set that you're sitting on top of. Well, I hope that's been enough of a quick whip around. If you want to get in touch, create a trial, hop on a call, just let us know. Be happy to help. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.